Are you tired of regular lemonade? Here's a good alternative recipe for some Boston strawberry lemonade. First thing you need to do is clean your strawberries. Next, cut up lemons and juice enough lemons to make 2 cups of lemon juice. Cut off the ends of the strawberries and chop them up into smaller bits to fit into a blender. Add in a cup of sugar and a cup of water. Then blend until it's nice and smooth. Then take 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water into a saucepan and boil it up until it's a nice clear syrup. Now it's time to combine. Start off with your lemon juice and some ice. Then add in some sliced lemon and diced strawberries for decoration. Add in your syrup and the blended strawberries all onto the jug. Then mix till combined. If you're not into things that are really sweet, you'll have to add in a little extra water into the lemonade when you serve it. I recommend serving it with ice. Put some Glad wrap over the top with a rubber band to store it away in your fridge. And there you have it, some delicious strawberry lemonade.